The transparent plastic cover on the head of the button is detachable. After sticking it on, pinch the suction cup tightly and then pull it out. We will provide commonly used symbol stickers, and customers can replace them with different icon symbols according to their needs. Put the symbol paper inside the cover, then invert it and cover the head of the button. When you hear a click sound, it means that it has been fastened. For the way that the button switch controls the power supply of the indicator light, you can refer to the connection diagram above. When the button is pressed and connected, the indicator light flashes. There is a quick connector designed at the tail of the button here. The style with a red rubber head at the tail like this is waterproof. We will insert it in a mating way. We put the button into the water for a waterproof test. The protection performance of this button can reach IP67 and IK09. You can see that the entire button and the socket are immersed in the water, and it can still be powered on, and the light can be on underwater